Right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital Live channel. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you guys have a great holiday and New Year. Market started opening today for the first session, and we are seeing. Let me just bring up the homepage here on investors.com. We are seeing negative 0.2% on Nasdaq. Dow Jones up 0.2%. S&P is down slightly. Volume is a lot higher. That I think that's probably because yeah, it is a lot higher today. So um, very interesting. Obviously compared to the last Wednesday, before New Year, obviously probably not a lot of trading, but today volume's a lot higher. Let me go check the index right now. Let's pull up QQQ on the Nasdaq 100 ETF here. Okay, so we are seeing a reversal from this morning. So we had a nice gap up, but we have reversed significantly since this morning. So again, not a good start to the new year based on this movement. Very sharp drop here, and you can see the bounce is very mediocre. There's not much of a bounce. In fact, we're making even higher low. Excuse me, lower highs even in the last hour. So very not a very good beginning to start the new year. And again, but I would say today's action is probably irrelevant just because this is first day and most people probably are still off, especially on the institution side. And then come next week we'll probably see more movement. But of course, not a good start because we're making new low. We also have a outside reversal day. So all those combined, probably not the best, movement right now. Okay, so that's good. Let's keep going here. Let's go to SPY. Very similar chart again. This one also got rejected from the highs there, which is near the 10-day. Now we're getting closer to the 50-day as well. So the red line. So again, not a very good start to the year. At least on the index right now, it's not looking very good, right? I would rather have it like kind of trading it more tightly and going sideways, but no, that's not the case. It's a pretty big bar you can see like compared to even the last 4 or 5 sessions here, and it's not a good sign. Yeah, Dow here has bounced back from the low, so this one looks slightly better because it's near the top of the range, right? Um, so that's slightly better. And instead of coming straight down, it didn't do that as well. So, and then it bounced pretty fast. So yeah, this one looked a lot better, surprisingly. So Dow is okay. Um, yeah. IWM also bouncing a little bit. Let's go to intraday chart. It is near the 50 days still though, but at least this morning it didn't give up that critical red line there, the 50-day, and now it's been bouncing. It's kind of closer to the top of the range than the bottom. So again, it's just yeah, just trading that way. So Dow and Russell kind of find some support this morning, which is good sign for those two. Whereas the opposite was true for Nasdaq and S&P. So again, we've been seeing divergence between those two sets of groups of index for some reason. They're not always in sync. So that's very interesting. Yeah. In terms of stocks on the move, we do have some stocks here, Billy, TSM, Billy's Chinese stock. It's bouncing pretty strong. Some stocks are bouncing strong today. So this one has been trading very tight and today make a big move. So could be healthy, but um, yeah, right now it's coming into a red line, so it's a little bit could be a resistance level. But if we break through that, that'll be pretty healthy here. So we'll see. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Making a huge move today. It's been trading very tightly recently and making new highs as well. it's a nice move today. It's a big almost 5% move and breaking out of the new high as well. So that's probably the key there. Yeah, very strong. Nvidia, this one also make a small move today. Right now it's up 1.5%, up earlier, up more. It has kind of pulled back slightly. Let's see where it is trading in the day. Probably it's closer to the halfway range. So here's the intraday chart. So we went up and then we came down hard and then we found support here and then we're bouncing. But the problem is we still kind of, you know, in the bottom range of the trading day today. So that's the only problem, despite the gap up there. So that's Nvidia. Let's keep going here with MU. MU is still showing lots of strength here. Uh, so here's the big bounce today. Very strong action on the 10-day moving average right now. See that slope? It's very strong. And let's go to next stock here, FTAI. This one has been moving really strong as well on after last was it Tuesday's move. So it came out and then was trading tightly and then today we followed through again. So something definitely is happening on this stock. It's looking really sharp. We're Futu with Tigo, SBS, NTES, VICR, Hood, with VRT. Let's look at VRT today. We have also a pretty big bounce today. Was trading pretty tight recently, and then today we have this huge bounce. Again, we had the 50-day line. If we do bounce back above that line and follow through here, that'll be really good. I would personally I would wait for that to happen. KNSA, Hallow. Uh, let's take a look at those biotechs here. So today KNSA bouncing pretty strong from the 50-day here, so that looks really good. Um, and then we have what's the other stock in? Um, Hello, yeah, Hello, HALO. This one also bouncing pretty strong here on the 50-day here. So both stocks are bouncing pretty strong. And and also making new highs. So that is really good here on Hello and KNSA. Let's see. I don't know if KNSA make a new high or not. Let's see. Yeah, it's a newer high compared to recent sessions. So that's also good. So yeah, didn't see too much action on financials movement. Um, you know, there's Futu on the commodity side. A lot of them are red. I think SGML was the only one that kind of bounced. Let's take a look at that one. So it's kind of pulled back already to the middle range. This is lithium. Let me just take a quick look at gold. Gold is still stuck below the 10-day. Not looking good after that last week, that 1-day drop here. Uh, and then let's look at silver as well. So same thing here is back to the 10-day. So not looking that good after it topped. So this could be a bigger pullback or correction, especially today. It just has no power as well when the market moves to, but this group didn't move. Yeah. And then we already talked about those. With ATI, CNX on the industrial side, Cohere moving. We have MTZ as well. On the retail side, we see Stop, RH, Wayfair making move. H side also making moves here. Um, on the tech side, with A-Lab, AMD bouncing, CN bouncing, uh, yeah, Rambus also bouncing, SNDK making move, bouncing. Yeah, so those are the stocks. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Have a happy new year, and I'll try to come up with videos on this weekend. And hope everyone have a good start to the new year. And please like and subscribe.